Okay, as you can see, I have carbon warp. So my plan is to install this warp on all white or silver interior plastic parts. So I think I have 1.5 meter, and yeah, you get those tools like knife and like tool which will help you to smooth the foil on plastic. So, but I think this is just cheap tools. There is instruction, clean before install and everything. And I got a set of tools to remove plastics in my car. Okay, let's go and try to install this warp. So I think my foil is a little bit too short, but maybe I will do it in two pieces. Maybe make some clear cut here, and yeah, I think that will work. So let's try to remove this. So always when you're doing stuff like that, take some tape to protect other parts in the car. And now let's get some tools to remove it. Maybe some different tools. And then repeat that process. As you can see. So I need a little bit more tape on the top. Okay. Just continue. You need to be really careful when you do stuff like this, because this is expensive parts, because it's Volkswagen. Okay. Okay. And that's it. This is so cheap type. Let me go try to find some another type tape. Okay, this part is removed also. And here it is. I put yellow marks so I know this is the right side. Okay, and the left side is free. this is how it looks now. I removed all plastic from car. As you can see, I have all plastic here and I have carbon warp. So let's go inside house. It will be easier to do that inside.
Okay, that's it for this video. Don't forget to click on this bell so you will always get notification when I upload something new. Also like this video and subscribe on my channel. Till next time, see you!